Okay, we've asked garage door repair person to come on over because we've had a problem here with our door. It will stop approximately 1 foot before it gets to the bottom. Let's show you here. I've tried to make my own assessments around what's going on there. I can't see anything jamming it up. If I try myself to push it down, it does go down. So I kept thinking that it has something to do with the tensioner. So we'll see what the garage door person brings to us. Limit stop. Okay. Culprit. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, but see this, stop before you go. See this crack?
Yeah.
Okay, that's going to start going down and caving in.
Right.
And what's happening right now, since it's on the top, it's very rare that it happens on the top, first and the bottom. What's going to happen is when it gets to the last turn, it pops back open, and that's why it's hitting your limit. This, first of all, should be up more, but I want to see this. Go ahead and
Do it again.
So your nose is too low. Which is
Where it's tapped.
Yes. If someone had already altered that cut right there, instead of raising it up, they cut the switch.
Oh, they cut the switch.
Yeah.